If you're considering MYOB sales tax integration for your business, there are a few things you need to know before buying. In this video, we're going to cover 12 key points to help you decide if it's the right choice compared to other tax solutions available. Stick around until the end to hear about an even better option you can try for free. First off, MYOB sales tax integration is designed to simplify your tax reporting, ensuring you're always compliant with local laws. But unlike some competitors, like QuickBooks or Xero, MYOB is more tailored for Australian businesses. This means if you're operating outside Australia, you might find it lacks some international support features that others provide. Next thing, one of the key features of MYOB sales tax integration is its seamless connection to your MYOB accounting software. This can be a huge advantage if you're already using MYOB for other accounting needs. However, if you're using different software like Xero, integrating sales tax with MYOB could require additional steps or third-party tools, which might not be as user-friendly as an all-in-one solution. The third thing to consider is its automatic tax calculation. It automatically calculates taxes for every sale, which is helpful in reducing human errors. But keep in mind that it's primarily designed for businesses operating in Australia. If you're dealing with multiple jurisdictions outside Australia, other platforms may handle multi-region tax calculations better. Next thing to be aware of is the setup process. While MYOB makes it relatively simple, it may still take some time to get everything configured, especially if you're unfamiliar with the software. Compare this to competitors like QuickBooks, which offer easier setups, but that might come at the expense of some customization options. The fifth thing is that MYOB sales tax integration automatically generates BAS, business activity statements, saving you time and effort. This is a huge plus for Australian users, but if you're running a business outside Australia, you'll need to consider whether your tax reporting requirements are covered by MYOB's system or if it's better to look into more international-friendly solutions. Another important feature is the support MYOB provides. While it has decent support for Australian businesses, many competitors like QuickBooks and Xero offer 24/7 global customer service. This could be crucial if you need help with tax issues outside of normal business hours. The seventh thing to note is the pricing. MYOB offers a reasonable pricing structure for smaller businesses, but as you scale, the cost can increase. If you're planning to expand or need more advanced features, it may become more expensive compared to other options that offer more flexibility at similar or lower price points. Next, MYOB offers tax reporting that's compliant with local tax laws, which is great for Australian businesses. However, if you're working in multiple countries, you may face some limitations with their support for tax laws in other regions. The ninth thing to consider is the integration with e-commerce platforms. While MYOB does have integrations with popular platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce, it may not be as seamless as other solutions like QuickBooks, which offer more robust e-commerce support out of the box. The 10th thing you should know is its user interface. MYOB's interface is generally easy to navigate for those familiar with its ecosystem. However, if you're new to accounting software or looking for something more intuitive, you might find competitors like Xero offer a cleaner and more user-friendly experience. Now, the 11th thing is related to scalability. MYOB. Sales tax integration works well for small to medium businesses. However, if you anticipate rapid growth or have complex tax needs, you might want to look at other solutions that offer more advanced features, like automatic international tax calculations. Finally, the 12th thing to keep in mind is the reporting flexibility. MYOB's reporting options are good, but might not be as customizable as other competitors. If detailed and personalized tax reports are a must for your business, other platforms like Xero might give you more control over how your reports are structured. In conclusion, MYOB sales tax integration is a solid option for Australian businesses looking for ease of use and tax compliance. However, if you need more flexibility, scalability, or international tax support, there might be better options for you. Be sure to check out our recommended solution, which offers more robust features and a free trial.